Hi guys, I am Arush and today we are going to make these absolutely delicious golden and crispy waffles at home. First, in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup powdered sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now set this bowl aside and in a separate bowl, crack 1 egg. Then add in 1/4 of a cup vegetable oil and 1 cup of milk. Next, combine the dry and wet ingredients. Slowly add the wet mixture into the dry one and keep stirring. The waffle mix is ready. Now slightly preheat and grease the waffle maker. Pour the batter and cook until golden and crispy. The waffles are ready. Now serve with your favorite toppings. That's it for today. Easy homemade waffles that are perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat. If you liked the video, like and subscribe for more new recipes.